That is Louis Vuitton. If you don't know, that is a luxury brand. Some days back, some Chinese manufacturers made huge claims on social media. They said that the products these luxury brands sell in their boutiques are the same as the ones they sell in their factories in China. According to them, they are the ones manufacturing and producing those products for those luxury brands. They went as far as telling us about the price difference. The bags being produced by the Chinese manufacturers are way cheaper, if not 5 times or 10 times cheaper than the ones they sell in these luxury brands boutique. So people got furious, especially their customers. This then led to people wanting to know if what the Chinese people are saying is the truth. So they decided to compare the bag quality. So we have this comparison between the Chinese bag and the boutique bag.
Does anybody have the Louis Vuitton from China and a Louis Vuitton that they got at the designer store? Because I need to see a side-by-side. I have to know if there's any discrepancies or any differences, or is it the exact same thing? Because I'm starting to feel ripped off right now. I got a closet full that I paid thousands for. And you're telling me it's all been made in China and I could have just gone straight to China and gotten this shit? It just can't be the same. It cannot be the same. And if it is, damn, we all got played. Well, not all of us, but a lot of us. Seriously, please don't tell me I got played. I refuse to believe that there's no difference. Does anybody have the Louis Vuitton from China and a Louis Vuitton that they got at the designer store?
Hi, me. I have both. So, one is from China and one is from the boutique. From a distance, can you tell a difference? Probably not. From a quality standpoint, 1000% these are not made the same. This is the 1-for-1 bag that was over $300 that I got from China. The strap is basically plastic. There's not an ounce of leather on this bag. These are plastic. The bag is very stiff. It's not the squishy mushy that the real one is. The inside is also a like vinyl-y cheap plastic. This bag, however, has the real ostrich leather. It's very lightweight and feels high quality. The straps, the coloring is a little bit different. This one has a little bit more red to it and this one has more caramel to it. This feels like they glued on little bits to make it look like ostrich. This does not feel that way. And then the inside is a really nice leather, not vinyl. And you can see that this has a lot of nice smush to it and it's not so structured. And then when we get into the tags, this is fine when you compare it to this one, but it feels cheap to the touch. The lock is much more gold than the real one. It has a shinier, brighter gold to it. And then I can't even use the tag on this one because it doesn't fit. I tried bending it. I've tried making this a little bit bigger with the scissors, but this is too big for this tag. And then on the real tag, it has the LV in gold. This has nothing. Tag size is not the same at all. So no, they're not the same. Now, from a distance, can you tell? Maybe not. But feeling wise, looking wise, you are not getting the same bag. This bag was not 100% made there with a tag sewn on it. This feels cheap and it was over $300.
Okay, from her comparison, it's obvious that the ones she has are not the same. Let me say this. Chinese manufacturers have quality. Honestly, they manufacture according to how much you're willing to pay. The quality is dependent on how much you're willing to pay. She saying the ones she has are not the same does not necessarily mean that they don't have the ones that are the same. If you get what I mean? Anyways, we have a lot of other videos to watch. We have to hear from other people as well. But I just needed to say this, that it's about the money you're willing to spend. Honestly, if you're willing to pay more, you get better quality. That is how Chinese manufacturers function. Let's read some comments. They are both made in China and you probably didn't find a good vendor. That's why I said from first glance I thought the cheap one was the real one. China made it too. They make different qualities for different markets. It's all about how much you're willing to pay.
Okay, so with all of the hype about the Chinese made bags versus in factory bags, so this is one on the go Louis Vuitton that I bought from DH Gate, and then I also bought it from the actual store. And so this one I ended up giving to my daughter, and this one is mine, so that's why I have two. But there are noticeable differences, at least for me. I feel like the structure, you can kind of see like there's a crease. The structure and like how it holds itself up is a little bit more flimsy than the one that I have from the actual store. But honestly, the colors are pretty similar. Everything's pretty similar. Front and back. Now, the only thing that's different is mine that I got from the Louis Vuitton store has these black straps, and the one from DH Gate has these straps. Now, I feel like these straps kind of make it look a little cheaper because the quality and just how they sit, it has these folds in them. And now I've had these bags for over a year now. So this is not like a freshly new out of the packaging bag. It's been able to sit for a long time and it still kind of has these folds. And honestly, I kind of think that this one has longer handles than this one. But as you can see, the real leather or the higher quality leather doesn't sit kind of how these ones sit. I also think in the right lighting, you can kind of see a hint of difference from this color and this color. But that's just if you're looking very close.
I'm not against buying anything from DH Gate. I go to actual stores and buy things as well. So this one, like I said, came from Louis Vuitton, Rodeo Drive, 2017. So this is older, it's vintage, it's darker. It's darker because I wear it. I wear it on my body. My body has oils, natural oils, lotions, all of that. It goes in the sun. The sun makes it darker. The oils makes it darker. Elements makes it darker. That's the reason why it's darker. If you look at the video that I'm tagging this comment on, I'm showing a purse from the fence, the gate, or whatever you want to call it, and it's lighter. The bags come like that. You have to darken it. You can sit it in the sun or whatever the case may be. Now, this is a real one. This is not. I've had this one for about 3 years. This is a bum bag, okay? I just pulled it out, right? And as you can tell, this one is darker too. Why? Why would you say it's darker? Because I wear it every now and then. And so body oils makes it darker. Don't it look good? It's getting patinaed. So it's getting darker. They're not the same color, but if I continuously wear this one, it's going to look like this one. And then look at everything. And I want you guys to understand that Louis Vuitton makes subtle changes to their items every year. So even though this bag looks like this, the 2025 version of this bag is going to be slightly different than the 2017 version. They're not going to look the same. So I also want you to understand that too. And this is canvas. This is leather. Leather darkens, canvas, it kind of darkens, but not like leather.
Let's read some comments. I bought a Birkin on the yellow app, and baby, my friend has 5 of them he bought at Hermes and he couldn't tell the difference. He thought it was real. I paid $95 for it. Here's a response to that. Friend now go to find one of one seller. The bags really get unclockable. I've never bought a real Louis Vuitton bag a day in my life, nor have I bought anything from DH Gate, but I'm thinking of getting one, but I want it to last, and it seems like vintage would be it. It's darker, called patina. What happens to leather over time and years? I'm loving all these bag videos.
I'm literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got.
Does anybody have the Louis Vuitton from China and a Louis Vuitton that they got at the designer store? Because I need to see a side-by-side. I have to know if there's any discrepancies or any differences, or is it the exact same thing? Because I'm starting to feel ripped right now. I got a closet full of it that I paid thousands for. And you're telling me it's all been made in China and I could have just gone straight to China and gotten this shit? It just can't be the same. It cannot be the same. And if it is, damn, we all got played. Well, not all of us, but a lot of us. Seriously, please don't tell me I got played. I refuse to believe that there's no difference. Telling me it's all been made in China and I could have just gone straight to China and got it just can't be the same. It cannot be the same. And if it is, damn, we all got played. Well, not all of us.
Can you tell which bag is $100 and which bag is $2,100? Okay, so I wanted to take a moment to compare my $100 bag from Gorchick to my $2,100 Louis Vuitton bucket bag. Starting off strong from the front, the detailing is exactly the same. So side by side, would you really be able to tell the difference? Here are the insides. They both include a middle compartment with the monogram logo. Listen, in 2025, we're saving our money, okay? I mean, would you really be able to know the difference if you're walking down the street? Let's be honest here. I'm not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first when I ordered this bag, but when I compared it to my authentic Louis Vuitton, I was honestly shocked. There's almost no difference. Just like my Louis Vuitton bag, these straps are adjustable. All you need to do is pull that, and it doubles as a crossbody. This took about 2 weeks to arrive in the mail. I feel like this is really good quality, especially if you just need it for like a night out or special event. I think this is a perfect option to be bougie on a budget and not break the bank. If you want to check it out, I have the link in my bio with all the different colors and sizes available.
When you buy luxury items, are you buying those items because of the quality, or are you buying those items to show off? Let me know in the comment section. I don't even expect people to even answer this question. In my opinion, if China bags give the same quality as the boutique bags do, I don't see any reason for you to go to the boutique and purchase those bags. That is if your focus is on buying quality bags. Luxury items, the good luxury items have quality. There's some bags you buy, pure leather, you have them for 10 years. They're still the way they are. And there's some bags you will buy, just give it 2 years, the leather will start melting because of heat. So I tell you, quality bags are very important. They stay years, they last for long, and they still remain the same because of the quality of the leather used in making that bag. So if your focus is on buying the brand name, not just on the quality alone, but the brand name, go ahead and keep buying from the boutique. But if you're more focused on buying quality and you don't care about the brand name, I would say you should buy from China, and not just buy from any manufacturer that is dangling the bag in front of you at a cheap rate. No, you need to take time out and do proper research, because they have different manufacturers, honestly, and as the manufacturers differ, that's how the quality of the bag also differs. I believe that they have factories that produce the same quality as the Louis Vuitton bag in China. From all I've seen, I believe so. I'm very much aware of the DH gauge. It's not this something. It's been there for the longest time. You get? But the problem is finding good quality. That's where the problem lies. It's not about running off to the DH gauge to go make purchase. No, finding good supplier with good quality. A good number of people don't buy luxury items because they love it or because of the quality. They buy it because of the brand, because of how it makes them feel, because of how people perceive that item. Or when they see you carrying such item, it means you're rich, it means you're bougie, it means you're classy. People are buying those items because of how people view the item, not because of they like it or the benefit they get from it. You get? So you need to know why you're buying your item. For me, buying luxury item is for quality, and not all luxury item has good quality, if you get what I mean. But when it comes to Louis Vuitton and all them branded luxury item regarding bags, a lot of them have quality, especially those you buy from the what they call it, the boutique. If you have the boutique bag and the China bag at yours, did you find any discrepancy? Please let me know that in the comments section, and thank you so much for watching.